If you want Anydesk to run in the background so you can connect to your computer more easily, or allow access without having to manually approve every session, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to run Anydesk in the background, enable startup so it opens automatically, and set up unattended access the right way. This is a great setup for remote work, home computers, or anyone who wants faster access to their device. And before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to make sure Anydesk can start with your computer. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, click More Details so you can see all the tabs. Now look for the Startup Apps tab on the left sidebar, or the Startup depending on your version of Windows. This section controls which apps launch automatically when your computer turns on. Scroll through the list until you find Anydesk. If Anydesk is disabled, it won't start in the background when Windows boots up. Right-click on Anydesk and choose Enable. Once enabled, Anydesk will be allowed to launch automatically in the background whenever you sign into your computer. This is important if you want remote access to work without having to manually open the app every time. Next, let's configure unattended access. This is the setting that allows someone to connect to your device without you having to accept the connection prompt each time. To do that, open Anydesk on your computer. In the top right corner, click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, go to Settings, then Security, and then Access. You should now be on the Security Access page. Here you may see a button that says Unlock Security Settings. Click that button if it appears, and you may need administrator permission to continue. Once the security settings are unlocked, click Set Password. Choose a strong password that you can remember, because this password will be required whenever someone tries to connect without approval. Make sure it is secure, especially if you plan to use Anydesk on a work computer or a device with important files. After saving the password, unattended access is now active. That means Anydesk can run in the background and accept connections according to the permissions you've set, without needing you to manually click Approve every time. If you want the best results, it's also a good idea to double-check that Anydesk is allowed through your firewall and that Windows is not putting it to sleep too aggressively. Keeping the app enabled on startup and setting unattended access gives you a much smoother remote desktop experience. So, to recap, press Ctrl-Shift-Escape, enable Anydesk in Startup Apps, open Anydesk Settings, go to Security and Access, unlock the security settings, enable unattended access, and set a password. That's it. You've now set up Anydesk to run in the background and made remote access much easier. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and useful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.